Namaskar. Welcome to Knowledge Club channel. Today we are going to discuss matter in our surroundings. There are various type of matter around us. Their properties are different. On the basis of properties, characteristics, there are various type of matter. So what is matter? Matter, this is a pen, this is a iron rod, this is a water bottle, all are matter. But what is matter? It has a mass, and if we keep it occupies space, so anything which has mass and occupies space, that is called matter. Matter can be simply classified into three categories. But broadly, matter can be classified into two categories on the basis of physical properties, on the basis of chemical properties. On the basis of physical properties, there are three types of matter. Number one, solid. Number two, liquid. Number three, gas. But scientists want to say there are five types of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. On the basis of chemical properties, there are also three types of matters, the three states of matter. What are the three states of matter? Then element, number two compound, and number three mixture. But our ancient according to the ancient Greek and Indian philosophers, all matter, may be living or non-living, are made up of five basic elements. What are the five basic elements of matter according to the ancient Greek and Indian philosopher? According to the Indian and Greek and Indian philosophers, all matters, may be living or non-living, are made up of five basic elements. What are the five basic elements? Number one is earth. Number two, fire. Number three, water. Number four, air. And number five, sky. These are the five basic elements of matter. So, we are now going to now going to discuss the state of matter as a line diagram. The how matter classified. See as a line diagram in the board. The how is matter classified? We have already said what is matter. Matter, anything which occupies space and has mass, that is called matter. The matter are classified on the two properties. What are the two properties? On the physical classification, matter are of three types. Then solid, liquid, and gas. And solid, what are solid? Pen, then book, then iron rod, which is solid. Then liquid, water, milk, kerosene, which are liquid. Then our gas, air, oxygen, nitrogen, which are gas. And what are their characteristics? They are possesses some characteristics. We can change one state to another. Solid can be converted into liquid, liquid can be converted into gas, gas can be converted into liquid, liquid can be converted into gas. How? By applying temperature and pressure, we can change one state into another state. So, see, what is the name of their conversion? The name solid, liquid, and gas. What is, if we change the state of matter from solid to liquid, that is called fission. Fission is a process in which solid changes into liquid. Similarly, liquid can be converted into solid. The process in which liquid changes into solid, that is called solidification. Then similarly, then liquid can be converted into gas. The process in which liquid converted into gas or vapor, that is called vaporization. Conversely, gas can be converted into liquid. The process in which gas changes into liquid, that is called condensation. And next, sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which solid directly converted into vapor or gas without changing into liquid. So these are the three states of matter. Then we can change one state to another by applying temperature and pressure. So what is their different type of properties, characteristics? The solid. The solid, according to shape, solid have definite shape. Liquid do not have definite. It acquired the shape of the container. Then gas, it is not definite shape. Next, volume. Solid have fixed volume. Liquid have fixed volume, but gas has not fixed volume. Definite volume. There is no volume, definite volume of gas. Then density. Density of solid is high. The density of liquid is low, and density of gas is very low. Then according to rigidity, then solid possesses high rigidity. Rigidity is high in case of solid. In case of liquid, rigidity is low, and in gas, not rigid. Then space. According to space, what is their difference? According to space, solid in solid intermolecular space is very least. In liquid, the intermolecular space is between the solid and gas. Then the intermediate. That means, so these are the different properties of metal, and we can differentiate each other with this property. Okay. Next, on the basis of chemical properties. On the basis of chemical properties, matter are of three types: elements, compounds, and mixture. The elements. Which are elements? The elements are the pure substance which cannot break down, which cannot split up. So, iron, oxygen, diamond, these are all elements. Elements are classified into two categories. What are the two categories? What are the two types of elements? The metals and non-metals. What are metals? Metals are those substances which are ductile, malleable. These are metal, and which are not ductile, not malleable, which are non-metal. Next, compound. Compound also a pure substance. It is a combination of metal. It is a combination of elements or substance. The compound, water is a compound, then carbon dioxide is a compound, sodium chloride is a compound. These are all compounds. Compound have fixed melting and boiling point. It has a chemical formula. Then compound are of two types: inorganic compound and organic compounds. Organic compounds means carbon containing compounds are organic compounds. And other compounds are known as inorganic compounds. The inorganic compounds, then water is the inorganic compounds, then marble is the inorganic compounds, then organic compounds are all hydrocarbons are organic compounds. Then methane, benzene, which are organic compounds. Then another is mixture. Mixture, it is a combination of elements, compounds, or substance. Mixture, that is air is a mixture. Example, Fog is a mixture, then soil is a mixture, smog is a mixture, steel is a mixture, all are mixture. Mixture may be of two types. What are the two types? In some mixture, the components mixture equally. That is uniform composition. The mixture, those mixture which has uniform composition, that is called homogeneous mixture. As for example, that is salt in water, salt and salt mix up in water. Then water and an alcohol, this mixture equally. So these are known as homogeneous mixture, which have uniform composition. And another is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture are non-uniform composition. That is a mixture in which the component or elements do not mixture equally. Mixture, that is sand and salt do not mixture. It is a heterogeneous mixture. Then water and soil. It is also a heterogeneous mixture because they do not mix up each other. Then sugar and salt, it is a heterogeneous mixture. So these are the example. So simply homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture are the type of mixture in which uniform composition, which has uniform composition, that is called homogeneous mixture, and which have not uniform composition, that is called heterogeneous mixture. Okay, then again we can say that chemicals classification, on the basis of chemical classification, matter are of three types: element, compound and mixture. Elements are of two types: metal and non-metal. Compound are of broadly two types: inorganic component, organic compounds. Then mixture are of two types: then homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, and on the basis of physical properties, state of matter are of five types: solid, liquid, gas, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice